Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G, Dark Welkin, 8GB RAM 128GB storage, India's first MediaTek Dimensity 8050 processor, 16GB expandable RAM, 64MP RGBW, G+P, OIS rear camera amazing night photography with 64MP RGBW, G+P, OIS lens and f1.65 large aperture, 32MP selfie camera for ultra-clear selfie, DSLR level portrait system, pro shooting modes, and video HDR. 6.67-inch FHD, plus AMOLED 10-bit dot-in display, DC dimming and 1920Hz PWM dimming for flicker-free display, TV Rhineland low blue light emission, certified eye protection, ultra-fast in-display fingerprint sensor. India's first MediaTek Dimensity 8050 processor. Up to 256GB UFS 2.1 internal storage for seamless data experience, 8GB LPDDR4X RAM with 8GB software-powered customizable RAM, up to 1TB dedicated expandable storage slot. 7.8mm ultra-sleek design, super slim leather finished back, Muse Design Award 2023 Gold winner, ring flashlight. 33W flash charging, more than 50% in just half an hour, 5000 mAh battery, up to 28 days standby time.